additional design help at home? Our design experts will come to you for a full consultation in your own space. Here's how it works. Start with a free in-store appointment for your first one-on-one consultation. Next, your designer will bring design tools, samples, and more to your home. The designer will also build a project plan around your budget and timeline. As a final step, get a peek at the results with visualization tools and receive a detailed quote that includes all the materials you'll need to complete your project. Depending on your project size, we have different in-home design services options at different price points to fit your needs. Whether you're looking to tackle a backsplash, bathroom, or the whole home, no project is too big or small. Learn more about each service option from your designer in-store or check out the details at flooranddecor.com. Our designers are here to turn your design dreams into reality for any space, style, and budget. Schedule your first appointment today. Now let's get started.